Hi there, I'm going to show you how to wash your makeup brushes today so that you don't have those little hairs falling out and so they don't smell like a wet dog. So first of all, you want to wash your brushes at least every other week or once a month at the longest because you want to get that makeup out of there so that you get the best application when you're doing your makeup. So don't wash your brushes in alcohol. Alcohol is very drying and it will break all of your bristles and they'll fall out and you've ruined your brush. So what I want you to use is like a baby shampoo or a antibacterial soap and a little bit in a glass with some water, and you're going to dip your brush in there, not all the way up here where the ferrule is because the glue is in here and that's what's holding all of these little hairs and these bristles in place. So only dip it in the water to about right there, and then you're just going to kind of rub that into your palm of your hand and get that soap in there good, and then run this under running water just so, and squeeze it out until it runs clear, and then lay the brush sideways to dry. We don't want to stand it straight up because the moisture is going to go into the ferrule, the glue is going to loosen up the hairs, and then that's when you have all those little hairs all over your face. And the reason you want to lay it sideways also is because you want it to kind of hang off of the edge of a counter and not on a towel, because then mold grows and they smell horrible. So this is how you keep your brushes so that they really work for you. This is a wonderful beauty tool, and so you take care of your brushes and they'll take care of you. All right, I'll talk to you next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.